Best
Oh, look,
awesome
that is a
sounds.
great idea.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Fancy,
fill,
huh?
fill it, fill it.
That's why I brought it, because last year I filled my bags and I was like, this is hard to carry.
Oh my God.
Um, 25 on that, huh?
Well,
Check it out.
it's the radio, the AM, FM,
Right.
beautiful. It was a CD deck that went.
Oh, you sold the CD deck
No,
on.
it's a built-in CD deck.
Oh, right,
It
right
doesn't
here.
work.
Yeah. Oh, the CD doesn't work.
And so what we did,
Oh,
we already
okay.
have a beautiful radio.
Yep.
We don't listen to that, but we've got it. So we went out and we bought a separate CD deck.
Gotcha.
CD player.
Yep.
Don't need that. Now,
Right. I would do like 15.
if you would like it for 15, fine. It's got to find a new home.
Okay.
It's that simple.
And what is that duck over there? That duck pan?
Yep.
What is that? That is incredible.
It's just like a bain marie.
Oh,
Okay. You
look at that thing.
You put hot water in
You
here.
okay to keep it warm?
This is not, it's white metal. Okay?
Yeah.
But this is stainless steel.
Yep.
Okay, so
That is
food
beautiful.
won't be contaminated. It's the original. It goes
Wow.
through. And so you put the hot food in. Ding, ding. And
That is so cool.
It was made in the 1930s.
Wow. That is beautiful. I love it.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to buy it. But it's beautiful. I will take the system for 15. Maybe I can get someone to fix it.
There's a guy.
Do you have a 5?
Oh, sure. I've got a 5. I got a 50.
I'll take the 50.
Yeah.
You choose.
Well, you have that.
I do. I don't need anything.
Really, because I'd be glad to put it in.
Nope. I
the
can.
bag.
I'm good. And it has a zipper. I can zip the top up so nothing gets wet when I leave.
Okay, terrific.
Super.
Well, thank you.
No, thank you.
Oh, you'd like change?
Change would be great. You choose 5 or 50.
I think 5 is probably.
Probably a little better, right?
Yeah.
Don't blame you.
So there.
Well, let's see. I still have money. I guess I got a shop still.
Well, I'll be glad to invest it for you in my pleasure.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for coming by.
Yeah, absolutely. Gotta see what else we got going on. I have to walk back the opposite way now. Hey, Mimi.
Did you see all my little YouTube shorts?
No. I'll have to go check them out.
In Morse code. Each of the little
Oh my
animals
God.
dancing to Morse code.
Really?
It's animated. Took forever.
Aww.
Yeah, you gotta watch them. Please.
It's a hanger now that I look more closely.
She always has cool things.
Yes, she does. Yes, she does. I've already been here and bought stuff.
Is that your bag?
It is.
Oh my goodness.
It is.
See, they saw you coming.
Yep, they saw me. That's all right.
Berkshire pickers. Berkshire. This gets over.
What?
This gets over at 1:30.
What time is it?
9:45.
I'm looking at my
I'm
clothes.
telling you, if you want to come back here,
Okay.
I'm not taking any of this stuff home with me.
I don't blame you.
I might cherry pick a couple things.
Right. Yeah. Oh, 1:30, so come back about quarter after. Okay.
I put on Facebook that I'm going to stay here till from 1:30 to 3:30.
Wow.
I bought those for my daughter's wedding. She didn't use them.
Oh my gosh.
They're all right.
Wow.
They don't sell.
Do they have a brand?
Do they have a
They're not. They're just
I have no idea. Here, where's the original?
This is beautiful.
Yeah, that's sold right away.
Yeah. That's why I'm walking back the
they're
opposite.
20 by 20. Light tan.
What are they? Linen? They're not
Linen.
linen. Man.
20 by 20. I should write that on there. Amaryllis.
It says it right here from the Vermont Tent Company. Yeah, I can come back around 1.
Yeah, 1:30.
1:30. What time do you have to be out of the building? I know, I've already bought from you.
Sorry.
No, it's a habit. I get it.
No, I'm disabled, and I have a really bad back, and I did some serious damage yesterday.
Oh,
So
bringing all this in.
Lifting that
Oh my
box.
God! Why? Why?
I don't know. I can barely.
Oh my God!
I can't feel my
You need
feet.
need a bag like that,
I need to not.
and you need to not have big stuff. I don't buy stuff I can't carry. Done.
Well, I had a big house.
Yeah, so you're just trying to get rid of stuff that you have. I would have never carried that box. Oh my God! I'd be like this today.
I am like that.
Oh, that's the worst. The worst. All right. Okay. What's this book? Starbucks. That's pretty cool. Our land. All right.
Just came over to buy that. Okay. You know what's so great about it?
Would you be willing to sell 1 pack of them? Or 2 packs? How much?
So 20 of them?
Yeah, 2 packs maybe.
How about 20 and 16? 16.
Sure.
$5.
All right. Take them.
There we go.
$5. Thank you so
There we
much.
go.
I'll see you at 1:30.
See ya.
Whew. Oh, that's a cool turtle. Whoops. Always, I thought it was a box. Bar. Hitting stuff. I gotta tuck them in. Um, hmm.
Well, I used them a lot.
Um, I think I'm pretty good. Maybe go home with some money. I
Hi. Is this a candlestick, you think?
no. Oh, I don't know. Look, let me see. I guess it could be. Do you Google Lens it? See what it is?
I should.
Yeah.
Those are
Always. Yeah, sometimes these are. These are fun. Did it come up?
Oh, it's part of a vase,
Oh, okay.
but I guess it could be.
I guess it could be.